Hey there, if you're someone who's been struggling with tinnitus or other hearing related discomforts, let me introduce you to a life changing supplement called NeuroQuiet. Designed to naturally support your auditory system, NeuroQuiet helps calm the ringing, buzzing, and discomfort in your ears, giving you the peace and focus you deserve. Here's an important heads up before we get into the details. NeuroQuiet is exclusively available on its official website, which I've linked in the description below. Buying from the official site guarantees that you're getting the authentic product along with access to special offers. For the best results, I recommend the 6-month supply. It's the most cost-effective option and gives you enough time to fully experience the benefits. Plus, it comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in giving it a try. NeuroQuiet stands out because it doesn't just mask the symptoms of tinnitus, it targets the root causes. It's packed with clinically proven ingredients like zinc, ginkgo biloba, and vitamin B12, which improve circulation to your auditory nerves, reduce inflammation, and repair nerve damage. This means you're not just getting temporary relief, you're supporting long-term hearing health. Another thing to love about NeuroQuiet is how it improves your overall quality of life. Tinnitus can be stressful, distracting, and even affect your sleep. NeuroQuiet's natural calming agents help ease your stress, improve mental clarity, and promote better sleep patterns. You'll not only hear better, but you'll also feel more focused, relaxed, and in control. Taking NeuroQuiet is easy. Just take 1 or 2 capsules daily with a meal. Most people report feeling better within a few weeks, but to get the full benefits, you'll want to stick with it for at least 3 to 6 months. That's why the 6-month supply is your best bet. It ensures you don't run out and keeps you on track toward lasting relief. Ready to take the next step? Click the link in the description and order your 6-month supply of NeuroQuiet today. With their 180-day money-back guarantee, there's no risk, only the chance to regain your peace of mind. Don't let tinnitus hold you back any longer. Act now and experience the power of NeuroQuiet.